dit lyk lekker.
Maar daar's 'n bakkie wat voor ons was wat hierdeur moes gegaan het. En ons 'n bakkie van daai kant af gekom.
Maar dit sal nie diep wees nie.
Aha.
Oh, we lost a few clips here, that's all. So now he's just going to go swim in the water and feel where the clips are and then you take them out again. This is where the cable ties come in.